Are you on a quest for improved health and vitality? It seems like daily we are bombarded with ads for prescription pills, nutritional supplements, and statistics regarding the declining quality of health in the world. It's enough to scare you healthy, but how do you improve your health? Imagine if there were a secret to perfect health, an all-natural supplement for mental, physical, and emotional health, a formula for life. Would you want to know about it? Then stay tuned, because you are about to experience Laminine. The research started over 80 years ago. The year was 1929. It was then that Canadian doctor John R. Davidson, while doing research on the embryonic development of chickens, discovered something amazing. He noticed that consistently, by the 9th day of development of the embryo, something happened, something dramatic. The embryo would virtually triple in size. Nature was making the journey toward healthy development inevitable. He isolated the compound, began injecting it into the tumors of his patients, started seeing noticeable, positive results, and then, in the midst of his research and success, he passed away. And in an age before the internet, computers, and hard drives, his research passed away with him, lost forever. But then, thousands of miles away, and almost 50 years later, a renowned Norwegian doctor and researcher stumbles upon the same discovery. He revived the research and isolated the compound from the fertilized avian egg embryo. This research became the foundation of the proprietary formula now known as Laminine. And the rest, as they say, is about to become history. Featured on the award-winning American Health Journal on PBS, and now being experienced by thousands of people all across the world, Laminine has arrived. This unique proprietary formula gives the body the full chain of 22 amino acids essential for cellular health. And the results are amazing.
There is no way you could have told me that I could feel this much better.
I was completely healthy, but my skin has improved.
The next level of mental clarity that I went to was phenomenal.
Once I started taking the product, I didn't really notice anything that much for the first 3 days. But that 4th day when I woke up, it was like I just bounced out of bed.
Within 4 hours, this energetic calm came across me. It was like the stress just dissolved.
I felt sharper, I felt more energetic. That 3 o'clock in the afternoon slump was literally gone.
8 hours later, I wake up and my mind is firing on all cylinders.
I sleep better, I feel better, and I have more energy. That's huge.
I'm not depressed because sometimes in life, so many things that bothers you. And now I'm very calm.
I just felt a good sense of well-being. It was just phenomenal.
Think about it. Would you like to experience relief from stress and strain? See improvement in your sleep and the appearance of your skin? Increase energy and physical strength? Experience a mental and emotional boost? And experience an enhanced overall sense of well-being? Then you should try Laminine. So how does Laminine work? Like an architect who instructs workers to carry the materials and components to the section of the bridge where it is needed most, Laminine does the same in the body. Laminine seeks out the areas in the body which are in need and triggers a natural balance. And with regular use, we are seeing amazing benefits, such as relief from like stress and strain, attributable to Laminine's documented effect on cortisol and serotonin. Many people also notice tremendous results in their skin, mood, and even more restful sleep. Others notice dramatic increases in energy and physical strength, providing faster recovery, enhanced muscle tone, and increased libido. And many people comment on the mental boost, including increased alertness, improved focus, and an overall sense of well-being. And what is the most amazing single discovery that makes Laminine different from any other supplement in the market today? Its effect on cortisol. It's true, Based on a recent clinical study, it has now been shown that Laminine lowers the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in our bodies. Everyone agrees, stress is a major contributor of many health concerns, and approximately 7 in 10 Americans report that they experience physical or non-physical symptoms of stress. By lowering cortisol levels in our bodies, we have the ability to reduce how stress damages our health. So many different results from so many different people all across the world. It's why Laminine is becoming the most talked about and shared nutritional supplement on the market today. And it is only available through a LifePharm Global independent business owner.
Hey, just try it for 30 days. See for yourself. And if you don't believe me, just try it. You get your money back, 100%.
That's the part, by the way, that's the marketing dilemma. It does sound too good to be true, you know. But if you have the experience with it that I had, you might feel the same way.
This does more things for more people in a shorter amount of time than anything I've ever sold.
Everybody is going to experience something at some point if they stay on it.
I don't have to know how it works, it just works.
If I had one product to choose, Laminine would be it.
Laminine. Welcome to the best years of your life.